Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Etsy with Printify, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Etsy with Printify, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Shop Manager. In the Shop Manager, find and click on Settings located on the left side menu. Within Settings, look for Integrations and click on it. Now, open a new tab and visit the Printify website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Stores section on the left side of the dashboard. Click on the Connect button next to Etsy. You will be prompted to authorize Printify to access your Etsy account. Read the permissions carefully and click on Allow Access to proceed. You may need to enter your Etsy login credentials again for verification. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Printify. Your Etsy shop should now be listed under My Stores. Next, you can set up your Printify products to sync with your Etsy store. To do this, click on Products in the left menu of Printify. Choose the item you want to add to your shop and customize it. Click on Add to Store once you're satisfied with the design. Select your Etsy shop from the drop-down menu. Confirm the details and click Publish. Your product will now be available To manage orders, return to your Printify dashboard. Regularly check for any new orders from Etsy. Handle them promptly to ensure excellent customer service. You have successfully connected Etsy with Printify and set up your store. This integration will help streamline your print-on-demand business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.